My name's Rachel and I'm part of the Academic Skills Centre, which is based in Library Services. And this is just a short video to consider generic feedback and how to make the most of it. So if you have submitted an online assessment, it's likely that you've received a mark and also some generic feedback. Now this is feedback that has been given to the whole cohort, so all the students that have sat that particular exam. And what the marker has done is that they've gone through those submissions and they've summarised what the main strengths and weaknesses of those answers were, and also offered areas and suggestions for development. Because they want to make it really relevant to your next assignments and assessment, they will make sure that they focus on transferable skills, such as critical thinking or writing style, but they'll also flag up key knowledge that is also important for your other areas of study. So to get the most out of generic feedback, I would suggest that what you need to do is you need to summarise the advice that's been given, and then you need to go back through your own submission and think about if it's relatable. And if you find, yes, that there are moments in your submission where you can see areas for improvement, then that's what you should focus on. And you should think about, okay, what practical steps can I take next time to ensure that I don't make the same kind of mistakes, or I improve on my work. And so, for instance, a practical next step would be if you're told that, the majority of answers didn't interrogate the evidence effectively, then you can make the step to next time when you're reading studies or bits of research that you're going to ask critical questions of that text. And so you might choose to write down what those questions are going to be. So it could be that you want to make sure you know why you're reading the text, you want to know what you're going to get, what you're trying to find from it, but also you want to ask and weigh up the evidence. So you're going to ask critical questions of it. And hopefully that will then translate into your writing, that you engage with the evidence in a more critical way. So with generic feedback, it's really important to apply it to your own submission, to think about how it relates to your own work, and then identify some next steps so that when you approach your assignment or your assessment next time, you have got positive changes to make.